your legal questions, here's expert answers. Now it's time for Getting Legal with Tim Misny.
When it matters, make it Misny. He'll make a bang.
Good morning. Welcome to another edition of Getting Legal with Tim Misny. Tim at the diner on 55th.
This place is hopping today, man.
Yeah. Medical malpractice, an area that you specialize in. What is it?
Well, simply stated, medical malpractice is defined as there is a breach of the duty of care. So you go to a doctor, and that doctor has an obligation to give you a standard of care, okay?
Okay.
And that standard of care is breached. Somebody fumbles the ball. They don't do what they're supposed to do. Now, importantly, that breach is the direct and proximate cause of your problem.
What does that mean?
What that means is that the doctor or hospital may have done something wrong, but that act of negligence has to, in fact, cause your problem, has to be the sole cause of your problem.
So I've got a problem, and it's because of a mistake that was made that shouldn't have been made.
That's right. Sometimes there are instances of medical malpractice, but it's not the sole proximate cause of your problem.
So how do I know if, I guess, medical malpractice, if something has gone wrong and I have a case maybe?
Right. You may never know unless you call me. Okay? Medical malpractice cases, Jason, are the most complicated, sophisticated cases. We need to get all the records. We need to talk to our doctors, our experts, to determine if there was a breach of the duty of care, and that breach was the sole proximate cause of your injuries.
And Tim, if someone thinks they've been a victim of medical malpractice, what do they need to keep in mind?
First thing is, nothing to discuss. You got to call me right away. 1-800-55-MISNY. I'm happy to meet with the client at their home, hospital, whenever, wherever. And if I do agree to take the case, I'm happy to give them my direct dial cell phone number so they can reach me 24/7. And of course, Jason, if we do find that the doctor or the hospital is at fault, I will
Make them pay.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, Tim.
Thanks for watching. This has been Getting Legal with Tim Misny, sponsored by Misny Law.